to make $60,000 a month wholesaling real estate absolutely from scratch. So if you're a brand new wholesaler and you have no money at all, but you want to make $60,000 a month, this is what I'm going to share with you today. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. Your expectations should be in line to the amount of work you're prepared to do. Now, I'm not telling you you need all this money. I'm not trying to sell you a wholesaling course, right? I'm not doing any of these things. What I'm going to do today is show you how you can make $60,000 with no money at all. I'm not selling you a course. I'm not going to say you have to go spend 50 grand a month, right, to make 60 grand. I'm just going to give the actual truth, what you need to know to get successful. There's a lot of different type of people out here telling you this is how you get rich. This is how you do it. You know, don't do this, do this. And there's all this talk out there of how you can have success. And the truth is, wholesaling real estate is a really simple process. It's all about finding people who want to sell the property, you lock up the contract, and you sell it to a buyer for a finder's fee or a price that's above what you locked it up for. So we lock up a deal for 100, sell it for 120. And you hopefully want to do that enough times where you can make $60,000 in a month. Now, this is not a process that is going to be completely free. Now, what I mean by this is, to get your first deal, yeah, from scratch, you're going to have no money. That's kind of a given. But when we want to go from making, let's say, 2 deals a month, 30 grand a month, all the way up to 60 grand, we're going to have to spend some money in marketing. But you're going to be using the funds from the deals you've made, not from going into debt and credit cards and stuff like that, right? So let's kind of talk about this business like blocks. That's the way I like to look at it, right? You're stacking blocks on top of each other. So how much is a block? A block, in my opinion, is $15,000. Now, the average wholesaling real estate deal is about $15,000. So the average person locks something up for maybe 200 grand, then they sell it to a buyer for 215. To get a $15,000 finder's fee. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Now, one block is 15,000. If you want to make 60 grand a month, that is going to be 4 blocks. And it's like Legos, right? You got to stack 4 blocks on top of each other in a month. So that turns out to a block per week. So we got to get to a pretty daunting task here. 4 wholesaling deals in a month or 1 wholesaling deal a week. That sounds really difficult starting out, especially from scratch. And this is why I'm kind of trying to get you used to this process starting out. It's like saying you need to run 50 miles a week for a year straight. It's like, wait, if we just say, hey, you got to run 12 miles a day, it's a little daunting, but when you start, it just gets easier and easier, and your endurance and your skills start gaining from there. So the way we're going to make $60,000 is the way that I made my first $60,000 a month wholesaling, and eventually to 100K a month and even more, by just doing it 1 block at a time. It's really simple. We want to go from doing 1 wholesaling deal a month to 2 a month to 3 a month, then 4, and boom, we're at $60,000. So how do we get our first wholesaling real estate deal, right? We have no money, we're starting out from scratch. If you go to my free real estate wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com, if you go in the classroom settings and go to Wholesaling 101, on the first page, there is a 26-page PDF on wholesaling real estate. I would just click that PDF, and what we show here is 26 pages of how to get started wholesaling, right? It's kind of my wholesaling book, but it's pretty large. My repair costs, all my stuff's in there. But one thing I really like here, besides my top 25 markets, is the 32 ways to get a wholesaling deal with no money at all. And as you can see here, any of these ways are going to be great ways to kind of get your start from scratch. You don't just have to do one specific thing, right? You can do code violations, you can market by drawing for dollars, door knocking, pre-foreclosures, probates, evictions, fire damage properties, water shutoffs, arrest records, physical bandit signs, virtual bandit signs, bandit comments, JVs, property managers, pre-realtor leads, pawn shops, RIA meetings, general contractors, estate sales, handyman, bartenders, title companies, hard money lenders, quick claim deeds, divorce, garage sales, local auctions, FSBOs, for rents, tax delinquencies, liens, expired listings, and other type of government lists. And then I share, obviously, in this PDF at freewholesaling.com, you know, my calling system, my texting systems, my scripts, my tips, my tricks, and, you know, all these things. If you go through the wholesaling course, I show you exactly how to do all these things. I show you how to pull government lists. I have a free Excel sheet of all the government lists around the country. This might be a little overwhelming, especially as a beginner. Because like, okay, wow, Zach, you threw me 32 ways to get a wholesaling deal for free, which, you know, that's great, but like, that's very overwhelming. What do I do? And if you're a complete beginner, you're from scratch, like, let's remove all this other hearsay and talks about how to get started. Like, let's make this simple. Let's start from the bottom. Let's get ready from scratch. How do we do this? For the vast majority of people on here, I'm going to tell you that either posting sticky notes on doors of ugly houses is probably going to be the quickest and easiest way for anybody physically in-person wholesaling real estate. Now, if you're virtually wholesaling, my opinion is cold calling or texting any of those 32 lists that I've said. More specifically, the government lists, or maybe even a list from X Leads, right? You can get a free trial at xleads.com. You get 1,000 free skips absolutely for free. And you can skip trace any of those lists right there and just start marketing, right? But I really, really believe calling and texting is probably gonna be the fastest, quickest, and easiest way for most people. I have a whole system there, the lists, all those things. And it's all about just getting in front of these sellers. Now, I wanna give you more strategies like digital bandit signs and others, but I just don't wanna overwhelm you. I feel like if you just focus on making 100 cold calls a day on the right lists, you're gonna start getting some momentum of what lists are working, what aren't working, what's working on texting, what is not working for calling. For free, you can use Google Voice, you can use True People Search or cyberbackgroundchecks.com for your skip tracing. But honestly, if you just go to xleads.com and get 1,000 free skips, it's the only software that'll give you 1,000 free skips on the free trial. Just get those free skip traces and start marketing. You just gotta remember in this business, it's you versus you. You are going to be the sole determining factor if you have success or not wholesaling real estate. There are hundreds and hundreds of hungry wholesalers in your city right now trying to become rich and successful. Hundreds of people who are younger than you, dumber than you, but they might be hungrier than you. It's a vicious dog-eat-dog world out there, and everyone wants to take your lunch. Everybody wants to take what you have. And if you sit around and become a lazy bum and decide, I'm too scared to call, I'm too scared to become successful, you are gonna end up broke and miserable in wholesaling real estate. You're gonna wonder, why are these people successful and I'm not? It's not because they're smarter than you, it's because they're willing to work. Are you willing to work? Are you willing to become successful? Are you willing to make 100 calls a day? I promise you, somebody living in their mom's basement who's absolutely sick of it is not saying, oh, I'm too tired today to call, I'm too tired to text, I can't drive for dollars today, it's just too much. People saying they have too much anxiety for wholesaling. Like, the people who have too much anxiety for wholesaling, they're the broke wholesaler. They're getting nothing done. They're having no success. It's the ones that can overcome those fears and overcome that anxiety that actually end up becoming successful. The truth here is it's you versus you. Yes, there's a lot of competition and a lot of people trying to get deals. But if you just end up doing the necessary work, you will become successful. Now, there's more wholesalers than ever trying to actually get deals now, but on the other end, it's the easiest time ever to get started in wholesaling real estate. We have AI, we have all these free tools. For the first time ever, got 1,000 free skips with no money at all. But the craziest part of it all is the bar has never been lower to become successful. More specifically, the bar to make $60,000 a month. It has never been lower. It used to be here, now it's here. Because as a percentage, the amount of wholesalers getting into the game that are actually willing to work hard, that are willing to actually gain their skills, talking to sellers, using the right scripts, networking, JVing, actually being a student of the game has never been lower. If you are just willing to be part of the top, let's say 15% of people who actually want to put hours in the game, you're going to get deals. And you're going to go from 1 deal to 2 to 3 to 4. But to get to doing 3 deals a month, you just got to start doing 1 deal a month. So I do recommend you start learning wholesaling real estate from my free wholesaler course, freewholesaling.com. There's no upcharges, there's no premium course or anything like that. It's just freewholesaling.com, that's it. Also, my free wholesaling community is in there. And I highly recommend once you go on the course, right, you go to here, the map feature. And let's say you live in like San Antonio, Texas, right? You're gonna get a little map here and it's gonna show you everybody else in the community in San Antonio. We probably have hundreds and hundreds of people. But like, for example here, who is this? Like Lance right here. It's someone out here like Alexandra. Like I'd probably DM Alexandra and say, hey, I see your local wholesaler. What's working for you or what's not? And then boom, you can find somebody else. Like Mario here, say what's going on. And even around Texas, like even Lockhart, right? There's plenty of wholesalers there in Austin and all these areas. We have by far the largest wholesaling real estate community in existence. So you can go on this map of anywhere if you're virtually wholesaling, just meet up and be with other like-minded wholesalers. The craziest part is we're really international. So even if you live in Morocco, like look at all these wholesalers in Morocco in the community. You just got to be a part of this community. Even here, ZachDiscord.com, my free wholesaling Discord, right? You can go out here and just be with a ton of like-minded wholesalers who are talking, hanging out, and giving free value and free game. I'm even here in the lounge, right? You see it's Anthony, Pascal, and Sam, and Mike Collin, and they're all just hanging out, talking in the lounge and just seeing what's up. They're probably wholesaling together as a group. This community is unmatched in the amount of value that it gives, and we give it all completely for free. So you're really asking, like, how do I become one of these top wholesalers that make 60 grand a month? It's not just doing it, it's living it, right? And being with hundreds and thousands of other people who are living, breathing this business and seeing what's working for you in San Antonio might be helping me in Mississippi, right? Actually being part of the community. And again, most people, there's like, got to spend 5, 6, 7, 8 grand to be in a community like this. It's completely 100% for free. I'm so sick of people paying for courses and being these fake things. Can do it completely for free here. Now, once you start getting a deal, right? Let's say cold calling, a code violation list got your first deal. You're just gonna keep doing that. And then you start implementing more systems, right? Maybe you go to X Leads, you start paying for skip tracing, you start adding dialers in, and you just add volume and add lists in your market. Then you go from there, then eventually get maybe to a high equity list, you start doing direct mail, and you start going from 1 deal to 2 to 3 to 4. The real secret from going from 1 deal to 2 deals is adding an extra channel and then bumping up the amount of lists you're doing. Then 2 to 3 is just adding an extra list, getting employees and VAs in there. And then 4 is really adding another layer to this. So maybe adding and drawing for dollars, adding in some more texting employees, calling employees, and for most cases, probably some direct mail to really push you to make even more per month. But this game's simple. You just gotta be willing to go to 1 deal a month all the way up to 4. And it starts by you getting in front of sellers, marketing your butt off, and making offers. If you want initial traction and you're getting nowhere, just focus on the marketing. The acquisitions is great. Wholesaling.com, we have the best acquisitions, sales, training, and closing process in the world, but it doesn't mean nothing if you can get no leads out there. So if you're gonna start closing deals and start finding motivated sellers, subscribe to this YouTube channel, go to Wholesaling.com, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.